This tutorial will show you how you can install an extension called Chrome Remote Desktop. This will be able to let you have remote support, provide support for a student as they can show you their computer remotely, their computer screen. So if they're having a trouble, you can see what they're doing, or you can actually take over their computer and navigate on the computer to show them what they should be doing. So there's two ways to get it as usual. You can go to the Chrome Web Store and search the Chrome Web Store for Chrome Remote Desktop. Now the students will have to install it as well. So they may have to be logged into the computer as themselves. Because if they try to do it as Boston Public user, it won't let them install it. So simply you have here, add to Chrome. It is called Chrome Remote Desktop. If you do a Google search of just Chrome Remote Desktop, not to go to the store, you will get it and it looks a screen that looks like this. They're both the same. So if you go to the Chrome Web Store or you have the kids go to the Chrome Web Store, they add to Chrome. If they just Google Chrome Remote Desktop and they get this screen, all they have to do is click download. Okay, so it is going to look what it does. It goes to the Chrome Web Store and says add to Chrome. You want to add the extension, so this will be the same way if you're in the Chrome Web Store. You add it to Chrome, you add the extension, and it appears right up here. It's like a little box. It's supposedly, I think, two screens, supposed to be two computer screens with Chrome. So once you see it there, all they have to do to access it is click on it, and it takes them to this. Now, this is how it works. If you want to access a student's computer, they need to generate the code. To let someone else access the computer, generate a one-time code and share it with them. So they click on Generate Code, and here is the code. And notice there's only 5 minutes that the code until the code expires. This is the number they have to give you. And what you're going to actually do is put the number right down here in Give Support. So the students create a code under Get Support. You will type in the code under Get Support. Then what happens is the student will see a message saying, would you like to allow such and such to control your screen? I'm not sure if that's going to work since I'm doing it to myself. So you will see this. Okay, now this will keep going until the kids say, okay, we can support your screen. And once they say okay and allow it, you literally see their screen in your window and you can navigate around and do all that you need to do. You can ask them to navigate and show them what they're doing so you can see what they're doing wrong, or you can show them what you're doing. Now, sometimes if you're showing them what they're doing and you're navigating their screen and then they go and try to take over, sometimes you will not be able to take over again. If this happens, just let them generate a code again. So if you want to control their screen, you can. So sometimes, like I'm saying, it glitches when you try to go back and forth between you having control and the kids having control. And that's how you can help students remotely by seeing their screen and actually controlling it.